combined, they have won the Rajouri Garden by poll. The Aam Aadmi Party has lost out. Well, very positive trends coming in there for the BJP since the early morning hours. And as you can see, scenes of jubilation, celebrations amongst the party workers. The trends did indicate a big, huge win for the BJP. And the Aam Aadmi Party is suffering a massive loss. In fact, the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia did give a reaction saying that he does concede defeat and, this is the people's mandate and that they will have to go back to the people and talk about where exactly are they or have they been upset with the Aam Aadmi Party. But right now it's celebrations, it's triumphant scenes there for the BJP. The West Delhi's Rajouri Garden, that seat that fell vacant earlier this year after Aam Aadmi Party's Jarnail Singh quit as the legislator to contest the Punjab Assembly polls. In fact, that is what Manish Sisodia had to say. He feels that the defeat that they have suffered is as a result of Jarnail Singh quitting as the legislator. Lots of reactions coming in at this hour. Let's listen in to a few of them.
जो नतीजे आए हैं वो आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए वहाँ जीत नहीं हुई है उपचुनाव में। हम लोग राजौरी गार्डन को देख रहे थे, वहाँ पर जरनैल सिंह जी जो हमारे विधायक थे उनके पंजाब जाने से जनता में नाराज़गी थी। हमने काफ़ी कोशिश की थी बात करने की, लोगों को समझाने की, लेकिन नतीजों से समझ में आ रहा है कि लोग माने नहीं, लोगों में नाराज़गी कम नहीं हुई। तो अब कोई बात नहीं, ये तो उपचुनाव था, आगे के चुनाव के लिए हम तैयारी करेंगे। पिछले 2 साल में दिल्ली सरकार ने जितने काम किए हैं उसके दम पे दिल्ली का नगर निगम का चुनाव जीतेंगे और पूरी शिद्दत से जीतेंगे।
मैं समझता हूँ ये दिल्ली की जनता का मूड है। जो तकलीफ दिया है आम आदमी पार्टी ने दिल्ली को, उसका निर्णय सुना दिया है रजौरी गार्डन में दिल्ली की वहाँ रजौरी गार्डन के वोटर्स ने। और कांग्रेस भी आम आदमी दोनों एक समान रूप से लड़ रहे हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी बहुत आगे है। मैं दिल्ली को, रजौरी गार्डन को धन्यवाद देता हूं ये विश्वास जमाए रखने के लिए, और मैं वचन देता हूं आने वाले समय में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आपकी खुशियों का कारण बनेगी।
पार्टी which had 67 seats today is in the third position. Any message for आम आदमी पार्टी?
आम आदमी पार्टी अपने कार्यों की समीक्षा करे। जो दिल्ली में जो उसने भ्रष्टाचार किया है उस पर पुनर्विचार करे, और जिस प्रकार से ये लोग ऐसे कारनामों में लगे हुए हैं जो दिल्ली सुन करके स्तब्ध है, उस पर जा करके आत्मचिंतन करे और दिल्ली को अभी भी जवाब दे कि दिल्ली ने इनको 67 सीट दे करके क्या पाया। 220 plus.
You are confident about it after this result?
Yes, I am confident कि we are getting 220 plus seats.
ऐसा क्या है आम आदमी पार्टी कर नहीं पाए जो आप एज अ प्रेसिडेंट you promise to the voters of Delhi?
हम दिल्ली के लोगों को जिस बात का विश्वास दिला रहे हैं उस पर खरे उतरेंगे। हम झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे, झूठा वादा नहीं करेंगे, हम जो कहेंगे वो करेंगे।
That was the Delhi BJP president promising whatever promises were not fulfilled by Aam Aadmi Party. This is the party which will deliver. With camera person Sundar, this is Parveena, Delhi, India Today.
Okay, it's not just good news from Delhi. We're getting in some good news from Assam as well for the BJP. They have won the Dhimaji seat in Assam by a margin of 9,000 votes. You just heard a few reactions coming in there from the Aam Aadmi Party, but this is some more breaking news. The BJP also winning the Dhimaji seat in Assam by a margin of 9,000 votes. So a huge win there, and obviously much euphoria amongst the party workers. We just saw those celebrations, joyful scenes, and everybody exhilarated, so excited with these back-to-back wins. It's a huge win there for the BJP, and it comes at a time when the party has already been on such an upbeat mood following that resounding victory they received in Uttar Pradesh. And now, of course, good news coming in there from the by-poll elections as well. So that's it. The BJP winning the Dhimaji seat in Assam by a margin of 9,000 votes. Okay, so we just told you how the BJP has won a huge and a crucial seat in Delhi's Rajouri Garden, the Rajouri Garden Assembly constituency. We just heard from the Aam Aadmi Party, the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, who has conceded defeat, saying that they are indeed upset and they will have to go back and probably reflect as to where really their party has gone wrong. But right now it's a celebration time for the BJP, because it's not just Rajouri Garden that they have won, but they've even won the Dhimaji seat in Assam. Let me go straight across now to Ankit for more on the celebrations that one can witness. Ankit, this is a huge loss of face for the Aam Aadmi Party. This defeat is coming after suffering a massive defeat in Punjab and Goa. Is it time for reflection, some introspection for the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, not some, but massive introspection is the need of the hour for the Aam Aadmi Party, Avantika. And I'm outside Rajouri Garden Counting Centre, where the BJP, of course, as you were telling us, and Shiromani Akali Dal candidate Manjinder Singh Sirsa has won with more than 14,562 votes. You can hear the supporters here chanting and sloganeering in their favour. Now, let me tell you the three big takeaways from this. Number one, the BJP is now going to have the momentum when they go forward in the MCD polls on 23rd. Number two, the Congress is number two here. So the Congress is gaining, and wherever the Congress gains, it's a natural loss for the Aam Aadmi Party, because Aam Aadmi Party had captured the vote bank of the Congress party. And number three, one more lesson for the Aam Aadmi Party, a repeated lesson. Their MLA left the seat, went on to Punjab to fight the election there. People have completely rejected them. Arvind Kejriwal came back in 2015 and promised that he is not going to go anywhere. That message possibly is something that the Aam Aadmi Party will have to go back to the drawing board and once again will have to percolate, because people do understand that the government of Delhi possibly had an overreach when they were trying to campaign in Punjab, trying to win Punjab there. The MCD election is going to be crucial.
Yes.
BJP is the incumbent party in MCD.
Yes.
But now people have to vote on both BJP's performance and Aam Aadmi Party's promises there.
But for now, it's time to celebrate, isn't it, Ankit? Let me go straight across to my colleague Anindo Banerjee, who's also joining us. Anindo, and that's the big question. Will this momentum carry on to the MCD elections, the civic body that has been dominated by the BJP for years on?
Well, absolutely, that can quietly be the case, as celebration is in full swing over there in Rajouri Garden. Scenes are quite different here. If my camera person can show you, it's absolute deserted Aam Aadmi Party office. But be as it may, there are two things, Avantika, that we need to understand at this point of time. One is that what is going to happen after and what happened before. What happened before is a very clear-cut strategy of Aam Aadmi Party Delhi unit, particularly after Manoj Tiwari came in as a chief, that they will make people understand that Aam Aadmi Party is losing sight of Delhi governance, and they have a bigger sight. They have eyes set on the different states, and that they have clearly been successful. Now, what will happen after that? After this massive win, they have used such wins in the past as well. Whenever they won local body election in Odisha, they use this to their benefit other in assembly election as well, and then they'll do the same thing that sources within the Bharatiya Janata Party are telling us at this point of time. They'll use it to their benefit. Posters are being readied at this point of time. Probably by tonight we'll see a lot of posters across the Luton Stone being splashed across with saying that people of Rajouri, which we are also told that some of the catch lines will be people of Rajouri have chosen BJP, it's time for the Delhi. So these are the kind of catch lines that are being walked upon, and probably the next 12 hours we'll see those posters. But clearly they are making heavily upon it, and momentum is set. They are hoping for the best.
Absolutely. Jubilant party workers there in celebratory mood. Ankit, I want to ask you, you've been tracking the by-elections so closely for weeks now. How important these elections, or this win rather, means to the BJP? How important is it for the BJP to have won the Rajouri Garden constituency?
Oh, it's a big momentum. Though there is no doubt about the fact that this victory is going to give the momentum to the BJP as far as the MCD elections are concerned. Remember, they have been ruling the MCD for the last 10 years. The Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that no work has been done in the MCD, but this victory is going to give them the momentum. I have Mr. Babbar with me. He's a local BJP leader here. कितनी बड़ी जीत है? How big is this and what is it going to mean for you as far as the MCD elections are concerned? उससे पहले आप एक जलेबी लेके घूम रहे हैं इतनी देर से, किसको खिलाना है?
ये विक्की को, विक्की मान को, बब्बर जी को भी.
So you know, चलिए. So after the jalebi, how big is this? ऑपोजिशन का असेंबली में कोई खास फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, 3 से 4 हो जाएंगे, लेकिन एमसीडी चुनाव पे कितना बड़ा फर्क है?
देखिए, ऐसा क्लियर मैंडेट है. देश दिल्ली रजौरी गार्डन मोदी जी की पॉलिसीज और उनके काम के साथ है. यहाँ पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी और अकाली दल के कार्यकर्ताओं ने जो मेहनत की है उसका ये परिणाम है. हमारे जो लोकल लीडर्स हैं मनोज तिवारी और प्रवेश वर्मा, जिस तरीके से इस सीट पर मेहनत की है उसका ये परिणाम है. एमसीडी चुनाव में हम कह रहे थे कि हम 200 से प्लस सीटें जीतेंगे. मैं कह सकता हूं कि आज के परिणाम उसको कॉन्फिडेंट करते हुए हम और सीटें जीतेंगे ऐसा नजर आ रहा है. और हम लगातार अगले 10 दिन और मेहनत करेंगे. तीनों एमसीडी बीजेपी जीतेगी, कोई डाउट नहीं.
बड़ी देर से आप लोग नारे लगा रहे थे, थक गए क्या?
In fact,
भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिंदाबाद.
Ankit, just stay with me. Just stay with me. Speaking of Manoj Tiwari, we have an exclusive, exclusive interview that we have done with him. Let's just listen into him first. I'll just.
तो इनको ईवीएम बहुत प्यारा लगता है. तो ईवीएम अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जानना चाहिए कि ईवीएम उनके मनीष सिसोदिया की तरह काम नहीं कर सकता कि जो कहेंगे उसी को रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. ईवीएम जनता के मत का रिफ्लेक्शन है और वो जो है वो सच है. आज अगर चुनाव करा लें तो ये ईवीएम में जो रिजल्ट आएगा, जो दिल्ली की जनता रिजल्ट देगी, उसमें आम आदमी पार्टी को दिल्ली से हटा करके फेंक देगी.
धन्यवाद. कैमरामैन संजीव के साथ अशोक सिंघल, दिल्ली आज तक.
Yes, coming to you, Ankit, can you get in a few reactions? I was just hearing how, the BJP taking a swipe at the Aam Aadmi Party and accusing them of actually not really focusing on the real work, on their priorities, and instead pinning the blame on EVMs.
Yeah, let me just get a reaction from the people here on that. ये जो आम आदमी पार्टी अभी तक ईवीएम के बारे में बात कर रही थी, उसके बारे में अब आप लोगों को क्या लगता है? फिर से बोलेंगे कि ईवीएम का ही नुकसान है, इस वजह से जीत गए?
सर, ये ईवीएम के बारे में जो बोलते हैं वो उनकी मनगढ़ंत चीजें हैं. अगर ऐसी कोई चीज होती तो क्या कभी इस चीज को माना जाता? ये सब झूठी बातें हैं. पब्लिक का वर्डिक्ट है, पब्लिक ने कमल के साथ दिया है और साथ देंगे.
That's also a very important point, Avantika. It doesn't seem that the opposition, which is trying to sell this EVM rigging theory or, theory against the corruption in the BJP, at least in Rajouri Garden, that's not what people have bought. People are extremely happy here. We have been seeing the chants of Modi, Modi. But also, just one word of caution. When the MCD election do take place, BJP of course is going to go with a massive momentum in those elections.
Indeed.
Also need to understand that when the bypolls of MCD took place, the BJP did not perform very well. So people do understand that MCD is a different ball game and the BJP is the incumbent party. But yes, this is going to give a big boost to the BJP in their campaign in the MCD as well.
Absolutely. And Anindo, this is a contest that has been bitterly fought, or which is rather going to be bitterly fought between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. The MCD elections, the election through the crucial civic body. Do we expect the Aam Aadmi Party to change things around, to revamp, its strategy, to come out and think of something new?
Well, what Ankit just said is absolutely, he has just hit the nail right. Because people of Delhi realize that it's a different ball game altogether when it comes to municipal issues. It's not about governance as far as other big national issues are concerned. And whether whether Aam Aadmi Party goes back to the boardroom, whether they strategize and they were able to make people convince the fact that yes, they are the ones who can get things done, because we wanted to realize the fact that it's BJP who is the incumbent, who has been there for 10 years, and whatever corruption allegations have been there, that has been there against BJP. So it's a fresh party with a fresh chance. So it remains to be seen whether Aam Aadmi Party is able to milk that opportunity or not. But clearly, at this point of time, what looks like after the by-poll results is that BJP has got the momentum and they are not in a mood to let it go.
Okay, let me go straight across now to India Today's Hemendra also to give us an update as to how does the scene look like for the BJP in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Hemendra, the initial trends looked very promising, very positive for the party. Is the BJP still taking a lead? What's the latest?
Well, in Bandhavgarh, the Bharatiya Janata Party has already won the seat. In fact, Shiv Narayan Singh has won the seat by 25,596 votes, of 25,496 votes. Officially, the results have not yet been declared, but it's a decisive win for the BJP in Bandhavgarh. And the Congress candidate Savitri Singh, for the moment, has demanded recounting, and she has given a written complaint to the returning officer. That's why the delay in the official declaration of the poll results from Bandhavgarh. But in Ater, in district Bhind of Madhya Pradesh, it's a neck-and-neck contest going on between the BJP and the Congress. In round 5, the BJP was winning by 600 votes. In round 6, at the end of round 6, the lead margin has been reduced to 266 votes. First round, the Congress was winning. So it's a neck-and-neck contest going on, even as the Congress in between alleged that the EVM had been tampered with. An EVM machine on table number 7, they said that the signatures of the polling agent did not match with the actual signatures, but eventually they were convinced by the returning officer and other polling officials. Recounting started, but till now, it's already been more than 4.5 hours that counting has been going on. Just 6 rounds have happened. At the end of 6 rounds, the BJP is leading by just 266 votes, which is nothing, and actually that can change as well. So there is an interesting contest that is happening, but Bandhavgarh, decisive victory for the BJP. Okay, decisive victory for the BJP in Bandhavgarh, but it's a neck-and-neck contest between the BJP and the Congress in Ater. Let's just take a look at this report sent in by India Today's Ankit Tyagi, who has spoken to a few supporters, and this is what they had to say.
It's Modi once again here in Rajouri Garden outside the counting center. Manjinder Singh Sitta of the BJP Akali Dal combined has won the election with more than 14,500 votes. Congratulations, the BJP has won the election. What next?
See, the point is, this is clear mandate of people of Delhi that they are with the policies of Narendra Modi ji. They are with the organizing skill of Amit Shah and our Manoj Tiwari and Pravesh Verma. It was a teamwork.
आज का प्लान क्या है? अब क्या आज विजय रथ निकलना है? क्या करना है?
देखिए, ऐसा है, बहुत सब लोग मिलकर यहाँ पर ढोल बजाकर, ढोल नगाड़े बजाकर, और सब लोग मिलकर यहाँ पर जुलूस के रूप में जाएंगे और फिर अमित शाह जी से भी मिलेंगे, उनका भी आशीर्वाद लेंगे, सुखबीर जी से भी मिलेंगे, क्योंकि अकाली दल और भाजपा का गठबंधन का ये कैंडिडेट है, और उसके बाद पार्टी ऑफिस में एक बड़ी सेलिब्रेशन होगी।
Okay, so the message coming out of Rajouri Garden is very clear. The Congress is number 2, Aam Aadmi Party is number 3. We'll just have to check whether they have lost the deposit or not, but a very visible performance there by the Aam Aadmi Party. Number 1, Congress gains, Aam Aadmi Party loses. BJP has registered a win. In the Delhi Assembly, it might not count for more. It's just one more opposition seat. So BJP will be now, BJP Akali will be now 4 instead of 3. But they are going to carry this momentum in the MCD election that is going to be held on 23rd, and that is now the crucial battle for the Aam Aadmi Party as well. With camera person Amit Tyagi in New Delhi, India Today.
Okay, so post the stunning victory in the state of Uttar Pradesh, the celebrations continuing for the BJP in the by-polls. Quick break, stay tuned, I'll be right back.